Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. Today I am working on getting my garden cart farm stand finished. So earlier this week I picked up a load of privacy fence panels that someone in our local community wanted to get rid of. So we picked them up completely free, and my husband pulled all of those panels apart for me, so we just have the lumber now. We're going to use that as siding or paneling for the garden cart farm stand. So we're going to load that up, and then we are going to take it around to the garage and start getting it cut down and fitted to the garden cart farm stand. So here are the panels. They're actually pretty decent and probably about 1/2 inch thick. So these are going to work out really well. I'll probably sand them so they're smooth and then give them a nice coat of paint. And we'll have some free siding for the farm stand. Alrighty, so we got our load of wood into the garage. It's a little bit cooler in here for working today. It is blazing sunshine outside, so being able to work in the shade is a good thing. And just make sure when it's really hot out, you guys stay hydrated. It's a really good thing. So I need to go fill up my water bottle before I actually get started here. But anyway, we got our load of wood in here. I am going to start measuring things out and getting it attached to the framing of the farmer's stand or farm stand. And then we'll kind of go from there. I do have the materials to put the roof on it as well, but depending on our time crunch, I only have about an hour to work before I have a meeting I need to attend to. So we'll see how long this takes and where I get to in this project, and we'll kind of go from there whether or not we're putting a roof on it today or not. But for right now, we're going to start cutting this wood apart, getting attached to the frame. And while I'm doing that, my husband's going to work on fixing my cart. For whatever reason, it's tilting to one side, which we don't want the cart to flip over. So he's going to work on getting that fixed and level for me so that my stand is level and not tilting to one side or the other. So let me get you guys on a tripod and we'll go ahead and start working on this project. What I am going to do is I'm going to flip this over onto its face so that I can work on the back panels first, and it'll be much easier for me to work on a flat surface instead of it up and down like this. So that's what I'm going to be doing first. guys, so we got all of the siding done. This is what she's looking like. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I will be sanding it down so this is a nice smooth surface, and then I'm going to paint it white with maybe some teal accents. And then on the inside here, this is going to be the cart bottom, so I'm not going to need to do anything here. But then I am going to put a shelf here, and I'm thinking about using these cutoff pieces and have kind of a scalloped edge on the shelf here that's going to look really nice. And then we just need to put the roof on it, and she'll be pretty much done. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions about this build so far, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Also, remember that this Friday is our live Q&A session. We're going to be talking about gardening, common pest issues, composting, all of that stuff. So make sure you come ready with your questions and ready to have some fun with me. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.